Hello, welcome once again to the Great Science Channel, where we are going to look at this game for National, which is supposed to play tomorrow or today, the 2nd of April 2022. So let's look at the national game and how we want the game to go. So you look at last week's event on the 26th of March 2022. You look at the machine numbers. The third and fourth machine number. So you realize that we have the third machine number, which is 54. And the counterpart of that will give us 9. And the 9 tends to 90. So that is the key for us to work with. So we're going to see this setting in the Monday game. So let's come to the Monday game. Monday game, we have at event 790. So we have your 70. So the 70, the counterpart of 70 is what? 25. And then the 25 tends to 52. The same setting comes on Friday Bonanza at event 655, where we have 10, and then the counterpart of 10 is 55. The 10 of 55 is still 55, so we take it up from there. So let's go on. So we have here, so on standing on the Monday game, when you count up 1, 2, 3, 4, you see 84 first box there. Okay, now let's come to the current, which is national. So you have standing on the number which counters and tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have the 84 sitting at the first box, the last box winning. Let's come to the Friday and see what happened there too. Now on the Friday game, it is not moving. It is moving from bottom up, unlike the other one which is moving from top down. So when we count from that point, 1, 2, 3, 4, you come to 39, the last box winning. But that 39 is the counterpart of 84. Okay, and so the other confirmation that we're going to have is that when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you come and meet a 4 here. The same applies, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. You come and meet a 3 here. Okay. When we come to the Monday game, you have the same thing happening. So when we stand on that 84, which is at the last box winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You meet the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is either the 3 has counted to 48 or the 3 was in machine. When you come to the national game itself, you see the same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You see the same pattern there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, we don't see the 4 there, but the other 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the 3 turning as 30 in machine. So that gives us the setting. Now let's come to the real game now. Now, so the number which is the sitting at the 4th box machine, which has been turned, okay, after it has counted. So the 52. When you take the 52, its bonanza is 66, which is supposed to play the following week, and it is there. First box. When we come to the Friday game, you have a similar setting too. The 55. Now here we are moving down up. So the 55, when it bonanzas, it gives us 58 first box win. Okay, first box win. So we come into the current. So when we take the current, we're going to have the 90. Now when the 90 bonanzas, it is going to give us 46. So it will give us 46. Okay, so 46. So we get 46, and that 46 we expect it to sit at first box winning. Now let's come back again. So when we look at this game, the 66, where we have the 66 playing on that particular the following week event on the Monday game, you have 60 as part of the numbers in winning. When we come to that of the Friday game, we also have 60 there. So it means that 60 is also one of the numbers we have to consider. So let's see. So that is for the first part of the workings. I'm going to show you the second part, and just hold on, I'm going to do that currently. So in continuation, we are going to look at a game which is currently playing very much close to that of the Monday game. Now when we look at the Monday game, this week 24th, we had 18, 48, 82, 83, 78, but it is playing a pattern here. Look at this point. You see the 51 in machine first box, and 19 as last box for that particular event. So let's see the event. That's event 8323. Okay, each following week the winning number you have 85. Okay, now let's come here to current in national. Here to at event 3096 you have 51 first box and then 19 last box. Each following week you have 58 center box, just like what we see on the Monday, the turning of 85. Okay, so that tells us that there's something going to happen. So let's look at it. When we look at this 58, where the 58 is, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You come to the last box number, which is what played last week. You see 38 as the last box winning. Now let's look at here. So we count the same number where the 85 was on the Monday game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see this 83 here, just like you see here as 38. So the turning of 83 here. Now we're going to base on what has just played this Monday, which is the current winning numbers. In the winning numbers at fourth box, you see 83. So it is presupposed that since it is a current game that is playing, this 83 is the one that has repeated. And so if we want to go by that, then it means that in the national game, this 38 must repeat today. And so if we want to go by that, we're going to have three numbers, and that three numbers we're going to have 38 inclusive. Okay, so the numbers that we have for the game today will be 46 as the main banker, which we are supposed to carry 1 to 90, with the second banker 60, and then the 38. So these are three good numbers that we have to pen and pen very well so that we can make it big. Have a good day, and expect that we'll be smiling at the end of the day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, the Bet Science channel, and then share, like, and then comment. Have a nice day.